start the videos off with well or some type of stupid ass noise. But yeah, it's just I've got a line of traffic behind me because I'm just doing like 50, just paywalling it today, cruising. Oh man, I forgot. I got these mics. I need to try these microphones out. But anyway, went to Terry's. He done a little bit of work while I was gone, and went on ahead and torched the notch into the lower bracket. Sorry, this car is absolutely on my ass. But we had the left side of the frame break, which caused an oopsie with the tire on the left rubbing the fender well and all that, and we didn't know it until later. But we pulled it literally exactly back to where it snapped. Like literally put a ratchet strap on it and it buttoned right back up identical. So we put it back, and then we had a problem with it hooking and going dead right. So we measured off everything, and it wasn't squared off. The left was half an inch, well, depending on which point you measured from, but it would be between half an inch to 3/4 of an inch difference from the right hand side. So he cut a notch in it, and we found a bolt that would go through it better than what was in it because that bolt was stretching. But got that lined out. We're waiting for this terrible, stupid, ignorant weather to quit and just give us a dry week, because we need to test the Capri, see if it's going to go left, right, or straight. We're alright with it even going left. We just don't want it to go dead nuts right. That's the problem. And I'm catching every single red light in Williamson. I'm fucking McDonald's. I'm loving it. But yeah, his car, the Trans Am, we just need to put wheels, tires, plugs, yeah, E85, just maintenance, get it ready, that's it. But the Capri, we had to do a little bit of work on the rear end to square it off, because every time we'd watch a video, it was somebody with some big fancy rear end, some big, I don't know, 10 soldiers or something, and we just got whatever the hell came in it. But we've got it close, pretty close actually. It's not dead on, but it's about right there. But we have it also to where if we need to, we can adjust it, so that helps a lot. There'll be videos of that soon when the weather quits being a brick. Right now I'm on my way to Belfry to go do a notary for Keegan. He got a cool little Volkswagen to Bailey. He works at, I'm not gonna lie, sorry Keegan, can't remember the name of the side-by-side shop. It had recently been sold, so I don't know the new name of it. But yeah, they sell all kinds of side-by-sides, like bad rides, honestly. If I can get approved for it, I'd be all over. I'd strap it to the roof of the Saturn if I could. But yeah, on the way to do that. And I don't know, I might get a video of some of the side-by-sides or something. Might get a video of like some of the flood damage on the way back, because I've talked about it in my last video but never got pictures or anything of saying or showing what had happened. Oh, there it is. I just passed it. Son of a bitch. Well, guess who's got to turn around? I have no idea where the nearest exit is. I don't come this way at all. Oh, look at there. Some type of clinic. That's the perfect place to turn around and get fucking T-boned. Oh, I see him. Oh man, they got all the side-by-sides inside. But yeah, that's, look here, they got everything. Get your best paycheck, come here and get salt. Look there, they got the little 350Z, 370, 350, I don't know. The VW. This is actually us pulling the tire off to get to the bolts and the torque boxes we found out were loose. So right there you can see that it did go straight. It spun, dirty road, who cares? It was just testing it to see if it was going to do anything. Then we added a parachute to the Trans Am, and then this is just more or less a random video that I took of, well, I don't know what the fuck they're doing, honestly. That place has been the same for years, and now they're digging and doing stuff, so I don't know. It's like it's meant to have it.